How to find your purpose in life? Do you ever feel like your life lacks direction or purpose? Maybe you're stuck in a job you don't love, or you're unsure of what your passions are. If so, you're not alone. Many people struggle with finding their purpose in life, but the good news is that it's never too late to start searching for it. The first step in finding your purpose is to ask yourself some tough questions. What are you passionate about? What are your core values? What motivates you? These questions can help guide you towards what is truly important to you. It's important to take the time to really reflect on these questions and be honest with yourself. Another key element in finding your purpose is to try new things. This can be anything from taking a class in something you've always been interested in, to volunteering for a cause you care about. By trying new things, you may discover a passion you never knew you had or gain a deeper understanding of what motivates you. Additionally, surrounding yourself with positive influences can be incredibly helpful in finding your purpose. Seek out mentors or friends who share similar values and interests as you. They can offer guidance and support as you navigate your journey towards finding your purpose. It's also important to remember that finding your purpose is a process, not a destination. It's okay to make mistakes or change your mind along the way. Embrace the journey and trust that you will eventually find your way. So, how do you know when you found your purpose? It's often described as a feeling of fulfillment and alignment with your values and passions. It may take time to fully realize your purpose, but once you do, it can bring a sense of peace and satisfaction that is hard to match. Finding your purpose in life is a journey that takes time, reflection, and exploration. By asking tough questions, trying new things, surrounding yourself with positive influences, and embracing the journey, you can discover what truly matters to you and find fulfillment in your life. Remember, it's never too late to start searching for your purpose, so don't give up.